In this question, he is saying the set A has 5 elements and the set B has 2 elements. The number of subsets of the set A cross B such that number of elements in subset is more than or equal to 3 and less than 6 is you have to find the correct choice. Otherwise, it is not very necessary, but if I write the elements, it will become more easier for you to understand. Suppose the set A has elements A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. The set B has elements B1 and B2. Clearly, A cross B will have elements A1 B1, A1 B2, A2 B1, A2 B2, and the last will be A5 B2. Note that this is one element of A cross B. This is second element of A cross B, and so on. And now you have to find the number of subsets of A cross B which have number of elements as 3 or 4 or 5, because according to the information of question we have to discuss about those subsets for which number of elements are more than or equal to 3 and less than 6. To find the number of subsets of this having 3 elements means we have to choose any 3 ordered pairs out of 10 ordered pairs. That is 10C, 3 number of subsets are there which have 3 elements, and 10C4 will be the number of subsets of this having 4 elements. 10C5 will be the number of subsets of this having 5 elements. And because we have to go maximum up to 5 elements, therefore this becomes the answer. It is 120 plus 210 plus 252. That is equal to 582. Hence I can say third choice is correct.